Hello guys, today I wanted to show how to use GPIO pins on Banana Pi as an output in your C and C++ programs. We're going to use libgpiod library, which was written by Bartosz Golashevsky, upon developer, and this library is still maintained. Thank you very much, Bartosz. We're going to use version 1.6.3 because it's a default version for Armbian. The difference between this version and the last one in output control is only in function naming, so don't worry about that. Alright, let's first install libgpiod-dev library. You can create C file with touch command, but I already made that, so I'm gonna use just nano command to open this file. Here we have GPIO and some standard libraries. The consumer defined represents the owner of the line. Chip name represents our GPIO chip device. Line num variable represents pin number. There are also pin state and a few pointers. Those functions below will create instances for our pointers. And in the main part of the program, we will switch on and off our GPIO pin a few times. To compile our program, we are going to use GCC compiler. O option creates output file from the source file. In this case, GPIO-X.O will be the output file and GPIO-X.C will be the source file. And the crucial part of this command will be -lgpiod, which tells your compiler to look for this library. Without this option at the end, you will have undefined references while compiling. Use dot and slash symbols to execute the file. Now let's see how it looks like on C++. As we can see, in this case we have C++ header file and useless iostream include. As you can see, the logic is the same. We're creating some instances for our GPIO configuration. We're creating a request for output, and we switch on and off our GPIO a few times. Now, to compile our C++ program, we have to use G++ compiler. The command is almost the same, our option with output and the source file, but the library name a bit different. It's -lgpiod-cxx. And it works the same. That's it, guys. Now you know how to use your GPIO pins as an output in your C, C++ programs. With this library, you can also set your GPIO as an input, you can create events, and this library also have a few configuration features.